My favorite season is in full effect. It is spooky season, so of course I am applying a spooky set. Now this set is not too spooky. It's a little more cutesy with a little bit of friendly ghost and scary pumpkin on the side. We're gonna call them cutesy spooky because that's what they're giving. So these nails are from Temu and they were only $2. Temu is one of my favorite places to order press-on nails because they be having the bomb nails on there, and by the time I get done applying them, they definitely do not give press-on. I always get so many compliments and everybody be thinking I'm fresh out the nail shop, but no baby, these are $2 nails from Temu. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you'll see exactly how to apply them and make them last up to 2 weeks. Click the Temu link in the description of this video to download the Temu app and make sure you use my referral code. So if you guys saw my last Temu haul video, I did get this Saviland base coat and top coat duo. So we are about to put it to use because I have heard nothing but good things about Saviland products. I've never used their products and I've never seen their products on Temu until recently. So I was like, okay, let's see what it's hitting for. It comes with alcohol prep pads, a nail file, and a mini wooden cuticle pusher. You are going to need a full power UV LED nail lamp because base coat and top coat does have to be cured under a light in order for it to dry. So let's get into this base coat. You always want to apply your base coat first before your top coat. Your base coat basically makes your nail have a tacky or a sticky layer for your top coat to stick to, and that's what makes your top coat stick and last long. If you apply a top coat without a base coat, chances are your top coat is going to start peeling off before you want it to. So always apply a base coat before you apply your top coat, and you don't have to apply the base coat super thick. You just want to make sure you are coating your entire nail with the base coat, and be careful not to get it onto your skin because once you go under that light and it starts curing, it's going to cure onto your skin if you have some on your skin. So just be careful when you're applying your base coat and top coat for that matter. But just make sure you are covering your side walls, also around your cuticle area, all over the center of the nail down to the tip of the nail. And now it's time to cure it. So I'm setting my nail lamp for 60 seconds. And this is what the nails are looking like after I've applied the base coat. As you can see, they're nice and shiny. The base coat also added an extra layer of thickness to them. And then now let's get into the top coat, which is also going to add another layer of thickness and shine to the nails. The top coat does have a thicker consistency than the base coat, which is good. This one is thick but not too thick. It's just like perfect, and it glides onto the nails really smooth, and it's sticking to that base coat really well, and it kind of evens itself out as I'm painting down the nails. So it's not lumpy, it's not runny either. Sometimes when I apply top coat, it starts to run, and I don't like that because that means it's too thin. But this one is a really good consistency. I love it. And while I'm applying this top coat onto my nails, I just want to remind you guys to check the description box. Everything in this video will be linked in the description of this video, along with the link to Temu to download the app if you have not done so already. And also to my fellow content creators out there, if you would like to become a Temu affiliate and receive free items from Temu to do content and reviews and tutorials on, there will be a link in the description for you to sign up to become a Temu influencer / affiliate so you can start making money and earning with Temu. So make sure you click that link and check it out and see if it's something that you would be interested in doing. But let's jump back to these nails. I just cured that top coat for 60 seconds and this is the finished product, and as you can see, the nails are a lot thicker. They are super shiny and definitely giving acrylic. Okay, they are not giving press on at all. Nobody would ever know that these are some $2 press on nails from Temu. And these nails are so cute and perfect for spooky season. I'm glad I got them when I did, because the super cute sets like these be selling out quick. But the good thing about Temu is that they do restock really quick as well. So that's another plus about Temu. And you still got time to order you some spooky season nails because the shipping is really fast. I got my order within a week, so if you order some now, you'll get them within a week and you'll be ready for Halloween and the rest of spooky season. So the last thing I did to these nails was apply some cuticle oil, because we cannot be having no bomb nails with no crusty cuticles. And that's pretty much it. The nails turned out so bomb, and they definitely are giving salon quality, which is what I always strive for. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you've made it to the end of this video without subscribing. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video is dropping. Make sure you give me a like and drop a comment and let me know how you feel about these nails. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.